Here's a simple step-by-step guide to fix Facebook if it's not working on your iPhone. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and close the Facebook app completely. Reopen it and see if the issue is gone. Next, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Facebook. If features like photos, videos, or live activities aren't working, it may be because the app doesn't have permission. Turn on everything you see here: cellular data, notifications, background activity, photos, microphone, and any other toggles, so Facebook has full access. Now open Safari or Chrome and search for "Is Facebook down?" Tap the down detector result. If you see a high spike in outage reports, Facebook's servers are having problems. In that case, you simply have to wait for Facebook to fix the issue. If the servers are fine, go back to your iPhone settings. Tap General, then iPhone Storage. Scroll down, select Facebook, and tap Offload App. After it finishes, tap Reinstall. This updates Facebook to the latest version and clears cached data, which often fixes bugs and glitches. And that's it. These steps should get Facebook working properly again on your iPhone.